Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. We are back with a new collaboration, and today's hair is provided by ISEE Hair. Now they sent me over this beautiful y'all package. The packaging was 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And then the bundles that they sent me was chef's kiss. Okay, they sent me some of their messy kinky curly bundles, y'all. The hair was so full and so pretty, and today I'm going to be doing a partial flip over quick weave using all three of these bundles. Do y'all see how pretty and how full this hair is? Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now off camera I did go ahead and do my braid down, and I just did like 3 little big braids, y'all, and then 2 small little perimeter braids, and that little area you see in the front is going to be my partial flip over leave out area. And I'm just going to go ahead and start by placing my first cap, and then to make sure I don't get no glue on my hair at all, I will be using that wrapping strip paper to place on that cap, and then I will add my second cap on top, sew the perimeter around the cap, and then go ahead and begin to install my bundles.
And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the men.
So now that I have it all sewed down, I'm just going to take my Got To Be spray really quick and spray all around. And because I have that tissue paper underneath, y'all, I do not feel none of this because I honestly hate feeling any liquids on my scalp, okay? And now I'm going in with the Pump It Up spritz and just doing the same thing. And I had just let that kind of dry a little bit. And then going in with the longest bundle, I'm going to go ahead and begin to measure, cut, and glue my tracks in. Now, me personally, y'all, I like to double weft because you could get more hair in, and it actually makes your bonding process much faster. And honestly, y'all, this is very simple. All you have to do is measure from one end to the other, cut it, add the glue, place it, and you're just basically doing that until you finish up the whole head. Now, mind you, this is a partial flip over, so I have a little bit off-centered on my middle part all the way down to my sideburn area left out, and just a little bit. I didn't want to deal with too much leave out at all, y'all, so I made sure that I made it just enough to, you know, cover the tracks and make it blend. So I'm taking that glue and placing it on both tracks, as you can see. And I'm going to start by placing it on one end, and I decided to make the hair fall in my face, so that's why you see me bringing that track all the way up to get that nice little curly hair face frame. And I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this process again. I'm just going in, pasting, cutting, gluing, pasting, cutting, gluing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and get that first bundle in and start working on that second bundle as well. And then I will show you guys how I close it up to make it nice and seamless for my flip over. Now this is what the hair looks like after adding 2 bundles. Y'all see how pretty and full it is. And now we're going to use that third bundle to go ahead and close it up. So I'll create it like a small circle, and now I'm going to start going left to right, still going around a little bit, but working my way left to right to kind of close up this whole section here, because I wanted to flip, like I wanted to lay the direction that I want the hair to lay. So I'm being very strategic on the way that I place the tracks. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in until we get to the last track right around the perimeter of my leave out and where the cap ends, just so we can have a nice and smooth transition. And I'm just adding a little more spritz into that area so it can, you know, stick really good.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie,
And as you can see, the more that I glue in, the more that this circle area is closing up. So now I'm just going to start laying those tracks horizontally until we get the last track in.
sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh.
And now finally we have reached the end, and I'm adding that very last track right at the start of where my leave out is, and just pressing it in really good and blow drying it. And now we're going to go ahead and blow dry this into place. And now I'm going to take down my leave out braid, and we're going to quickly, hot comb, flat iron, swoop some baby hairs. And then off camera I did go ahead and finish wanding it in all together to just get it to do a nice blend. But as you can see with this partial, I can do like that part down the middle, no part, natural part kind of look. But y'all know me, I'm a side part girly, so I definitely gonna wear it to the side. But this can be very versatile when you do the partial flip over. It's just pretty much what you like, and I didn't want the hair to be in my face, so that's why I made sure that I did a certain type of track placement to get the hair to be in my face. So I'm just gonna go in, like I mentioned, with the hot comb, flat iron, and my little edge curler, curl this thing up, get it pressed out, and get it blended. So now that I have the hair straight, I'm just going to go ahead and pull down some to make some baby hairs. Going to curl it up, and then I'm going to use the holding spray to, you know, hold it down into place. And then I'm going to go in with my small little flat iron curler, the same way that you see me using to wand curl my pieces in together. But I didn't show that full process because it's just repetitive. But, you know, stay tuned for the finished look, guys. And I got my baby hairs finished. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that little curler and you know, just blend it in, wanding the hair and the tracks together just like that, how you see me doing it here. And just gonna do that all over, and this is the finished look, y'all. Okay, very cute partial flip over, very pretty. I did add just a little layer in the front to, you know, make the curls have some dimension so it just don't be one tone. But y'all, I absolutely love this look. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a nice little 360. Once again, this is 3 bundles of their messy kinky curly, 2 22s and a 24. Super full, super beautiful, absolutely love it. Partial flip over was the style of choice. And yes, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check out the description details down below. Once again, this is the hair from ISEE Hair. So thank y'all for watching. See you next time. Bye.